Hey everyone, looking for a way to organize your snippets or document your latest project? Notion's code blocks are more than just text boxes. They're professional-grade tools with syntax highlighting and easy sharing. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 way to write, format, and organize code in Notion. Let's get technical. Step 1. Create the code block. There are 3 ways to do this. You can click the plus button and scroll to Code, use the / command, /code, or use the Pro shortcut. Type 3 backticks and hit space. This instantly generates a monospaced block that preserves all your tabs and indentations, essential for languages like Python. Step 2. Select your language. At the top left of your new block, you'll see a language name, usually plain text by default. Click it to open a searchable menu. In 2026, Notion supports syntax highlighting for almost everything, from JavaScript to C++ to SQL and Mermaid. Choosing the right language ensures your code is readable and colorful, making it much easier to debug at a glance. Step 3. Enable line numbers and wrap. Hover over the block and click the 3 dots in the top right. Here, you should toggle on Show Line Numbers for better reference during team meetings. You'll also see the Wrap Code option. This is a lifesaver in 2026. It prevents those annoying horizontal scroll bars by keeping long lines of code within the visible width of your page. Step 4. Use inline code for notes. Sometimes you don't need a whole block. If you're mentioning a variable or a file name like config.json inside a paragraph, just wrap the text in single backticks. Grap. This creates inline code, which keeps your technical notes looking clean and professional without breaking the flow of your writing. Final tip. Don't just leave blocks floating on a page. Create a gallery database and put a code block inside each page. In 2026, you can set the gallery preview to show the page content, allowing you to see your code snippets directly from the database view. It's like building your own private version of GitHub gists right inside Notion. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.